Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products. I've got John with me from Synapse Auto, and we are going to do some talking about one of your most popular products, the 13 Plus 6.7 Turbo Actuator.
Yeah, so this is off of the Cummins 6.7 2013 and up. A lot of the Dodge Ram run this turbo actuator. A lot of the issues that you see on the engine is going to be either some turbo issues, whether it's fluttering or not working at all, or you get some codes that are pointing towards the turbo actuator or the turbo itself. But we remanufacture these turbo actuators in-house, so we're doing more than just cleaning it up and putting it back out there. We're doing electronics remanufacturing, so that means that we're replacing components with either a higher rating or higher temp rating.
Okay.
Getting down into the root cause of why these actuators fail and servicing them from there.
And tell us a little bit about what these turbo actuators are actually do, what their purpose is.
Yeah, so this is off of a VGT turbo, so it's a variable vane turbo. That allows you to get better performance at different ranges for your RPM range. And the actuator is what moves that sector gear within the turbo itself and moves that vane in and out. So when that fails, you're not just getting worse gas mileage or worse performance, you're going to have drivability issues at the end of the day.
Now what about this in particular makes it different from maybe other competitors or just say a stock replacement?
Yeah, we do thousands and thousands of turbo actuators, and so what that gives us in the remanufacturing space is a lot of data. We're able to see what fails over time, not just one specific component or circuit. We're going to do a full rebuild on every actuator that we see, and so with that we're able to do electronics as well as the mechanical side of things, so bushings, bearings.
Oh, cool.
It's a full service for the actuator.
Fantastic. Well, if you're one of those guys out there with a 6.7 that's got a turbo actuator that's just failed on you, this is your replacement. You can click the link in the bio and get yours today at dieselpowerproducts.com.